Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you new topic, simple interest. First of all, we are going to teach some important point to related simple interest. Your first point, principal. The what is principal? The money borrowed is called the principal. Borrowed means उधार लेना. The money borrowed is called the principal. Principal in other language we call sum. Is it clear? Next term, interest. So what is interest? The additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. जो उधार पैसा लेता है उसके द्वारा जो अतिरिक्त पैसा दिया जाता है उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरेस्ट. Interest means simple interest. Interest there are two types. First simple interest, second compound interest. Here interest means simple interest. Is it clear? Next your point, amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Lastly, be paid amount. Amount means the total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Clearly, amount is equal to principal plus interest. Here interest means simple interest. Is it clear? Next point, rate. Always remember this point. The interest on 100 rupees. The interest on 100 rupees for 1 year. The interest on 100 rupees for 1 year is known as the rate percent per annum. Annum means 1 year. Is it clear? Next your point, simple interest. If interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, it is called simple interest. Now let us discuss some relation in between principal, simple interest, rate and time. So write here, let principal is equal to P rupees. Is it clear? Rate is equal to R percent per annum. Always rate given per annum. Time, we write time is equal to T years. So then simple interest. Simple interest या अदर भी से only interest. Simple interest. In short form write SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Here P for principal, R for rate, T for time upon 100. You remember always. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Write this type also. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Is it clear? Now write some conversion here. Conversion means here find principal is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. Next conversion here write R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. And next conversion write time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. So there are very important formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. These formulas are conversion of this formula. And next formula you remember always, amount. A for amount. A for amount. Write in short form A. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Interest means simple interest here. This formula, write this amount is equal to P plus SI. Here write conversion also. P is equal to A minus SI, means principal is equal to amount minus simple interest. Also write here conversion. Simple interest is equal to A minus P, means amount minus principal. So there are two important formula here. First, simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P for principal, R for rate, T for time. You remember? And second formula here, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Or conversion of this formula, P is equal to A minus SI, SI is equal to A minus P. You will complete the all exercise of simple interest with the help of these two formulas. Here SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100 and amount is equal to P plus SI. Is it clear? Now let us discuss some questions. In question number 1 given principal 2650, in short form P is equal to 2650. Rate 8% per annum. Rate 8% per annum. Always rate given percentage per annum. Is it clear? Next, time given 2 whole 1/2 years. The first we convert into improper fraction. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5/2 years. And instruction given, find the simple interest and the amount. Find the simple interest and the amount when. So we know that simple interest means denoted SI. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Is it clear? Is equal to here P 2650 into R 8, time given 5/2. So 5 write in numerators and 2 write in denominators, and here also in denominators 100. Is it clear? 5/2, right? This type 0 0 cancel out. 5 2 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. We multiply 265 into 2, we get 2 5 ja 10, carry 1. 2 6 ja 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. 530 rupees. Also we find amount. So we know that amount is equal to P plus SI. P plus SI. Here P given 2650 plus, here find out SI 530. We get 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2 3. So hence simple interest is equal to 530 and amount is equal to 3180. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2 given principal is equal to 1500. Given principal is equal to 1500. rate given 12% per annum, 12% per annum, and time given 3 years 3 months, 3 years 3 months. Always time convert into only the units of years. Always, because here rate given in percentage per annum. So always time convert into year, not month, not days. Okay. Always convert into lastly year. So here convert 3 years. Is it clear? 3 months. So we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So when months convert into year, we divide by 12. So here write 3 by 12. You remember always 1 year is equal to 12 months. The month convert to year, तो we divided by 12. देखिए 3 4 जा 12. Here write 1. तो देखिए 3 whole 1 by 4 years. Convert into improper 3 4 जा 12 plus 1 13 upon 4 years. Is it clear? Now here we know that simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Here P given 1500 into R given 12. Time given 13 upon 4. So write this type. Here double zero cancel out. 4 3 are 12. Here 15 remaining into 3 into 13 39 is equal to, here 15 9 ja 135, the right 5 carry 13, 15 3 ja 45 और प्लस एड 13, तो 45 प्लस 13 58. Is it clear? Amount is equal to, we know principal plus SI. Here principal 1500 means 1500 plus 585 simple interest. We add and get 5 plus 0 5, 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 5 0, 5 plus 5 10, write 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. So hence SI is equal to 585 or amount is equal to 2085. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3 given principal 9600. Given 9600. Rate given here 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. The mixed fraction convert into improper, we get 15 by 2% per annum. Is it clear? Time given 5 months. Always time convert into years. So we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. The months convert into year, we divided by 12. So 5 by 12 year. When divided by 12 in month, we convert into year. We know that SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Here P given 9600 into R given 15 by 2, T given 5 upon 12. In red denominator 2, so write here denominator 2 and 12 denominator of time, so here write 12. Is it clear? Double zero cancel out. Table of 12, we get 12 8 ja 96, 2 4 ja 8, 15 4 ja 60, 65 ja 300. So here write 300. Is it clear? Amount is equal to, we know principal plus SI. Here principal 9600 plus 300. We get 9900. Hence simple interest 300, amount 9900. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, given principal 5000. So here given principal 5000. Rate given 9% per annum. Time given 146 days. So always time convert into year. So we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Always remember, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Generally we know 1 year is equal to 365 days and 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. Here generally in the case of days convert into year, we take the normal year. So 146 divided by 365, this convert into year. Is it clear? We know that SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Here P given 5000, R given 9, time given 146 upon 365. The double zero cancel out. 5 10 ja 50. Here 5 table 5 7 ja 35. 3 means 73 5 ja 365. और 73 2 जा 146, 9 2 जा 18 into 10, we get 180. Is it clear? We know amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Here principal 5000, interest given here 180. We get 5180. Hence SI is equal to 180 rupees and amount is equal to 5180 rupees. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, find the time when principal 6400, simple interest 1152 and rate 6%. So here given principal 6400. Is it clear? Simple interest given 1152 and rate given 6% per annum. Find the time. The time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. So here P are given, SI also given. So directly the formula we know that time denoted T, time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. Here SI given 1152 into 100 upon 6400 into 6. Double zero cancel out. Table of 6 is 6 1 ja 6, 6 9 ja 54 और 6 2 जा 12. इज इट क्लियर? फिर 64 3 जा 192. Here find 3 years. So hence time is equal to 3 years. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6 given, find the time when principal 5000, amount 6450, rate 12%. The given principal 5000, amount given 6450 and rate given 12% per annum. So find the time. The time is equal to SI into 100. So here SI not found. So we know that SI is equal to A minus P, means amount minus principal. Here amount 6450 minus principal 5000. We get 1450. So now we find time is equal to SI into 100. SI found necessary here because SI related to formula of time. Here write P into R. SI here find out 1450 into 100 upon principal 5000 into R given 12%. Double zero cancel out. Also here zero cancel out. 5 to the 10, 5 9 ja 45. Here we write 29 upon 12 years. Convert into mixed fraction. The 12 to ja 24. 2 whole 5 by 12 years. Is it clear? Here 2 integral part write in years or 5 by 12 years. The years convert into month. So we multiply by 12. The here multiply by 12 convert into months. Is it clear? 12 12 cancel out. Right. Lastly we write 2 years 5 months. So hence time is equal to 2 years 5 months. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 7. In question number 7, find the rate. Find the rate when principal 5200, simple interest 975, time 2 whole 1 by 2 years. So here write given principal is equal to 5200. SI is equal to 975 or time given 2 whole 1 by 2 years given. The first of all time converting mixed converting to improper means here 5 by 2 right. So here find the rate. Rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. So we know that rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Here SI given 975 into 100 upon P given 5200 into time given 5 by 2. The 2 in denominators, right? In numerators here. 5 by 2 turn into 2 by 5. Is it clear? Double zero cancel out. 26 2 ja 52. Table of 5 here. 5 1 ja 5. 5 9 ja 45. 5 5 ja 25. 13 2 ja 26. और 13 1 जा 13 और 13 5 जा 65. Here write 15 by 2% per annum. Yeah, also write 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. Hence, rate is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 8. In question number 8, find the rate when principal given 3560, amount 4521 rupees 20 paisa, time 3 years. Here given principal is equal to 3560, amount given 4521.20, time is equal to 3 years. So we know that when we find out the rate, we here is the simple interest. Here not given the simple interest. Find out first of all. Simple interest is equal to A minus P, means 4521.20 minus 3560. If we subtract here, find 0.20. Here 11 here 1 minus 0 1. Here take the borrow 12 minus 6 6. 14 minus 5 9 or 3 minus 3 0. Here find out the rate. The rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Here SI given. SI here find out 961.20 into 100 upon P given here. P 3560 into time given 3 years. Remove here decimal to put the in denominator 100. 100 cancel out. 0 0 cancel out. Table of 3 use here. 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. 0 times 3 4 ja 12. Is it clear? 356 into 9 we get 3204. Is equal to write here 9% per annum. Hence, rate is equal to 9% per annum. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 12A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.